TSM stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. Look, I'm the only guy in the space doing 43,000 videos over 5 years documenting everything, so I've seen what's printing and what's not. The crazy good part about TSM is that I've actually been here and called out the exact levels. All here for free, by the way. It was 179. I expected it to kind of down to 172. This is 4th of May. And then 7th of May, we reached 172, even lower. And yeah, like, looking at this, I literally called it out since now. There's like 6th of May after that. And then now we're here. Generally looking at this, I'm still looking to double down. If the price doesn't pull down into my demand zone and gives me a shift, then I have no business buying more. You know what I mean? So if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. Like I said, it's free. And I'll continue to keep you updated with TSM. Goodbye. And enjoy.